I'm sure you guys have heard of bibimbap, which is a Korean rice dish, but today I'm gonna show you Bibim Guksu, which has the same sauce base as the rice bowl. Okay, so I'm gonna mix the sauce first. To my bowl, I'm gonna add some gochujang, sesame oil, garlic, rice vinegar for balance, honey just to sweeten it up a little bit, and soy sauce. Then we'll just give it a good mix. Typically for bibimbap, the sauce is a lot more thick and concentrated, but because I want this to coat every single strand of noodles, I am making it a little thinner. So for this recipe, you can use your favorite noodles, but I typically have ramen laying around, and I thought a lot of you guys might too. So we're just gonna make this with dried ramen noodles. I'm gonna cook it according to the package's directions, so it just takes like 2 to 3 minutes to cook this up. I've already drained and rinsed my noodles, so I'm just gonna add it to a bowl. Now this makes a really big 1 serving, or you can split it up into 2 servings. But for the sake of video, we're gonna film it as 1. I'm gonna pour the sauce all around the noodles. You can use as much or as little as you'd like. And then to top it off, I like to add some tofu, kimchi, some shredded cucumbers, and finally some sesame seeds. And now all you have to do is give it a good mix. And Nate just told me Koreans use 2 hands. Here's the tofu. So even though I used ramen, this one is still healthy and just as delicious as its counterpart, the bibimbap. It's spicy, it's sweet, and so fresh, full of flavor.